Hello mga ka-trending! Welcome back to ZK Trend. Grabe na talaga itong ating Donnie at Belle. Kung si Donnie Pangilinan nga ay nasa Call to Rescue Philippines na kung saan nga nag-assist at nag-rescue nga ito ng mga bata since 1988, itong ating Belle Mariano nga ay sumali na rin sa World Vision. Welcome nga si Belle Mariano sa Orange Family at ito nga ang World Vision. Ang World Vision ay isang global Christian humanitarian organization devoted to improving the lives of children, their families, and their communities. At ang focus nga nito is for helping the most vulnerable children overcome poverty and experience fullness of life. We help children of all backgrounds, even in the most dangerous places, inspired by our Christian faith. As the largest non-profit organization in the Philippines, with over 65 years of experience, World Vision helps over 1 million children every year, with the support of thousands of Filipino sponsors and donors. Marami nga ang na-inspire at talaga namang proud na proud ngayon sa ating Belle Mariano o sa Don Bell. Marami nga ang na-inspire dito sa ating Donnie at Belle sa mga organisasyon na kanilang sinalihan at talaga namang proud na proud maging fan. Ayon nga dito sa komento ng ilang bula sa X, "In a world full of noise, Belle and Donnie speak through kindness. Don Bell reminds me that true influence is measured by the lives they touch." Ganito yung maganda di marunong pumato sa bashing kasi mas inuuna ang magandang gawain. Tahimik lang pero maraming natutulungan. Ayon pa dito sa ilang komento ng bula, "I never get tired of saying it. Stunning Belle Mariano is an everyday flex. All her endorsement align with how she lives her life with purpose. Yes, she has the numbers, but quality never left. Congrats and thank you, Belle Mariano, for being a true inspiration. Thank you for being a source of hope to everyone, especially to those who are needy. Such a great role model with such an amazing mission and advocacy. Proud of you, Don Bell." It's rare to find people so committed to creating a better world. Even rarer to find a couple who chooses to walk that path together. That's why deserve nyo lahat ng blessings coming your way. #Don. So move seeing Belle join World Vision and choosing to fight for the future of children who need it most. And Donnie's dedication to Call to Rescue, that's the kind of impact that doesn't need recognition. It's just who they are, they but making the world better, one cause at a time. Grabe na talaga itong ating Donnie at Belle mga kabablis dahil na kahit napaka-low-key at napaka-private ay marami na pala itong natulungan. Lalo pa ngayon na sumali na nga si Belle Mariano sa World Vision ay talaga na pang nakaka-proud at nakaka-inspire lalo.